This is a small installation for DBM6000. This is a bus access unit, the 5202, combined with a keypad with a Dallas button. Also included in this there is a proximity reader, 125 kilohertz, and there's then used 6 output for this and 1 to open this door by itself, the lid. Upper right corner we have a key hole, so once you have taken out your key you can then insert that into the slot at the upper right corner. But the whole idea about this is you get a PIN code or your CPR, social security number, and that has then been set to work for 1 time or 2 times, or how many times we set it in the software, and that will then be directed to one drawer specifically. To make it simple, I've made 6 codes, 4 times 1, 4 times 6, etc. for each drawer. So once I have entered my code, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 and then hatch. Then it will give access to my drawer here, number 4. And after 10 seconds the drawer will be locked. Okay, so now I'm able to use this key for as long time as I'm permitted, of course. Once I want to return this to the closet, I'll just do this, and then inside here it will recognize which key it is, and it will then be set, the room or whatever it is will be set into maintenance or cleaning mode, and then you can then use all the other drawers as well. Let's take number 3, use the room and then return it. And then let's take number 6 also. Right. Use the room, then just return it. Okay. Now 3 times use, 3 rooms are now in maintenance, and you can clear that just by pressing the button on the software itself, or you can use a smartphone to set the variables down as you want, or you can reset the variables. Now the last thing here I want to show you is how to gain access to this. You just use your service key, and then we can get in and view how this is made. Right, inside here, of course, I'll just show you how it looks in the top. That's the key insert, the slot. And here we have a box where we have the keys we have just used. If we look at this, we're missing 2 locks because they weren't unstuck yet. But on these we have small electronic locks for each drawer. To the left we have the keypad. Also here you can see the Dallas button. This is the one for the other lock, to keep this together, right there. Below this you can see a small electronic lock also. This prevents the batch, which we have here, to run directly through, because we actually need a small timing here to read the batch. So it will hold it just for 1 second, as you can see. That's how it works. Right, but if we look at the electronics, we have, it's difficult to see because it's quite a small space, but we have a mini master controller here for 10 doors because I didn't want to cable it to our own installation, and we have an access unit there. Below to the right we have the reader interface for this proximity reader. We have a small timer here to enable this one. If this main lock is activated more than a few seconds, then this one will go on, so we extend the time. And we have got this small development kit up there in the top to convert the 3 outputs on the access unit, so we actually get 7, or well, it is 8 options totally